Welcome to the Auto King Crown, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today, we dive into the Ducati Panigale V4, a machine that represents the pinnacle of Italian engineering, speed, and precision. This superbike isn't just fast, it's a technological masterpiece built for both the track and the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Panigale V4 lies a 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, producing an astonishing 215 horsepower and 91 pound-feet of torque. Inspired by Ducati's MotoGP bikes, this high-revving engine delivers relentless acceleration, making the Panigale one of the most powerful production superbikes in the world. The counter-rotating crankshaft improves stability, while the seamless power delivery ensures a thrilling ride every time you twist the throttle. Chassis and handling. Ducati's lightweight aluminum front frame, paired with Öhlins semi-active suspension, provides razor-sharp handling and stability. The Panigale V4 is designed to carve corners with precision, thanks to its optimized weight distribution and advanced aerodynamics. Brembo-style MA brakes with cornering abs offer incredible stopping power, ensuring confidence at high speeds and in aggressive braking zones. Aerodynamics and design. The Panigale V4's aggressive styling isn't just for looks, it's engineered for performance. The sleek fairing integrates winglets, generating downforce to keep the front wheel planted at high speeds. The LED headlights, sculpted tank, and sharp tail section give it a race-inspired presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Ducati's signature red paint enhances its iconic appeal, making it one of the most stunning superbikes on the market. Technology and electronics. Ducati has equipped the Panigale V4 with a suite of advanced electronics, including a 6-axis IMU, traction control, slide control, and wheelie control, all working together to provide maximum control. The 5-inch TFT display offers a race-oriented interface, giving riders real-time performance data. A bidirectional quick shifter ensures seamless gear changes, while customizable ride modes allow you to tailor the bike's behavior to your preference. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite being a hardcore sport bike, Ducati has refined the Panigale V4's ergonomics for better rider comfort. The revised seat and tank design improve grip and support, reducing fatigue during long rides. While the aggressive riding position is focused on performance, subtle tweaks make it more manageable for road use, allowing riders to enjoy its power beyond the racetrack. Who is it for? The Ducati Panigale V4 is for riders who demand the absolute best in performance, technology, and design. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or a passionate superbike collector, this machine delivers an unmatched riding experience. Its combination of raw power and cutting-edge features makes it one of the most thrilling motorcycles money can buy. Final thoughts. The Ducati Panigale V4 isn't just a superbike, it's a statement of engineering excellence. With its race-bred DNA, breathtaking performance, and Italian craftsmanship, it remains a dream machine for motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide. Stay tuned for more thrilling bike reviews from the Auto King Crown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates. Ride fast, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.